says.
this where it's supposed to be. You see how it's supposed to be on
Okay,
those little.
is it where it's supposed to be now?
No. Not even close. Because that hole needs to be.
Is it something at the bottom? Right.
See this clip and that wire? See how they nice and snugly fit together? Okay, that needs to occur simultaneously over here.
There's no clip there. It goes
There
to
is
the
a
top
clip there.
It goes to the top one. Check that out. It only goes, there's only one clip up, one clip up. Notice here.
Okay,
No,
so.
no, 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 no. Look.
I get it, I get it, I get it,
One
I see it. So why is
So
this
it
one not
doesn't.
clipping?
There's no clip there.
Dude, right there it is. There!
That couldn't possibly make a difference.
Absolutely it
Okay,
does.
fine. Just put the top on. We're done. We're done. You got it where you want it. Let's put the top on.
Okay, now that's there, that one's there, now they're all adding up. Okay, perfect. Now we gotta start this shit again. Should we put this thing on first?
No! Put it on. Why are you doing that? Put that back on.
Because I want to do it the correct way, not the Bieber way. Okay, now. Got that side on? Is it connected?
It would have been connected with that. This hard work.
Okay, now. Okay, move. That, can't see this. Okay, that needs to go. Yes. Now we're cooking with gas. It's all even so that it all works out. Yay!